What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back to bring you guys your money motivation just like every single Monday. Now, today's message is a simple one. Success is the best revenge. And for those of you who tuned into the live stream or you watched my last video, you know exactly why I'm saying this. And now, I don't want to dive into that right now, but I'm going to tell you guys again, success is the best revenge. This is your money motivation message. Because there are so many different things that are going to happen to us. In all aspects of our life, in all areas of our life. It doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter if that's discrimination, if that's you being restricted from something, if you're oppressed, if it could be so many different things. But success is the best form of revenge. And the reason I'm saying that right now is because this is a very, very relevant message to my life and to what's been happening recently with the market and also other things. But we're going to dive into the message, we're going to break it down, we're going to explain a few different things and why I say this to you guys and some things you guys can do to help you guys going forward in this week. Before we do that, please people, drop that thumbs up. It will be highly appreciated, especially at a point like this. Please just drop the thumbs up. Please also comment, share, and of course, if you're new around here, hit a beautiful red button. I do want to say thank you guys for 1,700 subscribers. It's been a great journey and we're going to continue no matter what. But today's money motivation message. Well, to be honest, actually, this is probably the easiest one I've ever had to make. I could probably talk for an hour about this one. But there are certain things that are gonna happen to you, occur, and you're gonna have to learn to bounce back. Not only that, but you're gonna have to learn to use all the anger and pain, hurt, all of that's inside you to drive you forward. Now, I will say the reason I'm making this message because I am using that result, those events, to push me in the right direction going forward. Because I know that all these things that are happening are very shady. And I know that I have won before, I've made money, I've earned, and I know that I have the capability to do that, so I will continue to do that. But now the only difference is I'm going to go 10 times harder because, this 0 to 100K challenge, it's been halted, I'd say, not ruined. It's still the first month of the year, it's been halted. But all these events, all this stuff going on, not even just the money stolen from my account, but the fact that I was not able to trade anymore, all the stuff, all of that is going to fuel me to go 10 times harder. So don't be surprised, let me tell you now, don't be surprised if I do my 0 to 100K challenge in 6 months. You guys are going to know the reason behind that. And that's what I want to kind of portray in this message. It doesn't matter what you do. If someone says you're, I don't know, or whatever insult people say to you, if you're fat or you're, I don't know, ugly or whatever, use that to fuel you. Use that anger to fuel you. People say you're not good enough. Use that to fuel you. People try and put restrictions, limitations on what you can accomplish. Use that to fuel you. Use that anger, use that drive, not to lash out at them. Even though I would love to lash out at Robinhood and some airlines right now, the DEA, there's so many people. But use that anger to fuel you. Use it to fuel your success because that's exactly what I'm going to do going forward. Not only this week, this week in the stock market, I'm going to make sure I bounce back a crazy amount. First, I need to probably change broker, but yeah, I'm going to bounce back. That's my aim this week. But I'm going to use that anger, all the pain, from the hurt from the past few days to fuel my success throughout the rest of the year. It's going to be a crazy year for me. And it needs to be a crazy year for you guys out there as well. Yeah, we're still in a pandemic. Yes, there are so many different events going on around us right now, and it feels like we're living a real life movie. But focus on what you want to achieve. Use your anger, use your pain, use your hurt to drive you forward. That's what I'm going to be doing this week and the rest of the year. That's what you guys should be doing too. If you watched my live stream Friday, I did a over 4-hour live stream, so please go check that one out. But if you did watch that live stream, yes, you guys know that this year I'm going 10 times harder now. I've got so many things I want to accomplish. My laptop is still in the shop, unfortunately, so I can't even start right away. But I have so many things I want to get done, and you guys probably have a lot of things you want to get done. If you need a reason to get those things done now, use the reasons, use the negativity, use the barricades, use the barriers, use the glass ceiling, use the lock that's been holding you down. Use all of that to fuel your success. Your best form of revenge will be success. My best form of revenge is success. No matter what has gone on the past week, the past month, the past 6 months, there's so many different things that have gone on. I'm sure it's happened to you guys as well. It feels like there's endless things are happening to you in your daily life, in your personal life. It's cool. We use that to drive us. We use that to push us forward. And to be honest, the people who do make it, the people who do succeed in what they're trying to achieve, they come from those difficult times, they come from those tough periods, they come from those situations where they feel like they've been hard done by. And that only fuels their success. You go in to do a competition and you fail, you should go out the next day and start practicing again, no matter what competition it is. If that's, musical competition, go practice harder. If that's, bodybuilding, weightlifting, go lift more weights. If that's running, start running faster, start running more often. You understand what I'm trying to say here. Just start doing the things that are going to push you towards success, and use the anger behind your losses, behind your pains, behind your unlucky circumstances to fuel you forward. Success is the best revenge. Success that you can stand up and say, yeah, look at me, I did that. It doesn't matter that you stopped me from having this and having that. I found a new way, I found a way around it. You guys know last year was about adapting. 2020 was about adapting. Now, I'm telling you guys, it's not only about adapting, but it's about fueling your success with that hurt, with that pain, with all those negative factors. It's now not only about doing what you want to do, it's about doing what you absolutely must do. If you don't want to be successful, then you shouldn't even be on this channel, let's be honest. I don't want to push people away, but if you don't want to succeed in whatever it is, your business, your finances, your personal life, your relationships, your health, your mindset, your mentality, if you don't want to do any of that, if you don't want to succeed with that, then you don't need to be on these videos. You don't need to be watching these videos. If you do want to succeed with all that, then you're at the right place, because this channel is for high aspiring people, people with big goals, big dreams, people who want to improve their lives. And that's why I'm saying success is the best revenge. Let's get revenge on whoever. If you guys are traders out there, if you guys are people who invest in stocks and you weren't able to buy whatever stocks due to whatever brokerage you use, don't worry. Keep doing your research, knuckle down, work hard, and find new stocks to invest in. If you're somebody who likes to trade and make a lot of money, swing trade in the market, you weren't able to do that, don't worry. Find new stocks to swing trade. Find ways around it. We're gonna adapt. We're gonna overcome all this. We're gonna achieve and we're gonna exceed expectations. At least that's what I'm here to do. I'm sure you guys wanna do that as well. But again, there's been so many different events that have occurred recently, and I'm not going to dive into them, but I feel like the odds are stacked against me, and I'm sure many of you guys feel the same. And if you guys do feel like that, you probably are right. There are people who set certain limits on what we do, and again, I'm not just talking about the stock market. I'm not just referring to the stock market. I'm referring to so many different things. Some of you guys are like me. You've had flights cancelled. You've not been given a refund. Why is that? Some of you guys are like me. You've had services which were meant to be done, and they were not done properly. Some of you are out there and you're probably like me thinking, what do I have to do to succeed? And then you find out what you need to do to succeed. And once that happens, you realize, why is this not possible? How come I'm doing what other people have done before? How come I'm doing exactly what the book says? How come I'm following the guidelines and I'm still not able to succeed? Yeah, there are many things that are holding us down. There are many things that are holding us back. But any stigma, any stereotype, any hold that's been placed on you, any lock, it's time to break all of that. And the way you're going to do that this week is by using our pains to drive us. I mean, I'm tired of some of the events that have been happening, and I'm sure many of you guys are, for whatever reason. But there's only so far moaning, complaining, whining can get us. After a while, it's time to step up, use that anger, use that hurt, use that pain, everything I mentioned, and overcome the obstacles. Use the doubt, use the fear to fuel us. Use the failings to push us forward. Use all of those things I just mentioned to help us get somewhere, because it seems that we're not allowed to win. Again, this is not just the stock market. For those of you who are listening, it seems we're not allowed to win in so many aspects of our life, so many areas of our life. You want to do this, you can't. You want to do that, that's not allowed either. You can only do what someone above you says. You can only do what someone above the government or even the government says themselves. It shouldn't be that way. It doesn't have to be that way. I'm here to tell you that, guys, that. So if you need extra motivation this week, again, I don't know what situation you may be in. If you're a YouTuber and if you're like me, sometimes you're shadow banned for commenting. Sometimes people click your notifications. They're not able to get your notifications. Just simple stuff like that, small things like that. All these things add up and they fuel you. It only makes us work 10 times harder. At least it should make us to work 10 times harder. It only makes us be better. It only makes us start finding new ways to achieve what we're trying to achieve. I don't care who's out there who's trying to stop me from whatever I want to achieve. I'm going after my goals. I'm going after my targets. All 2021, I'm hitting my targets. Whatever I need to do, I'm going to find a way to do that. Trust me on that one. I'm going to find a way to do that. There's no one who's going to stop me from doing what I want to do. And when I say that, but I'm fueled by the anger and I want to get revenge, in that situation, it accelerates my process by tenfold. Trust me on that one. There's no one who's going to stop me from what I want to achieve. I'm not letting that happen. And when you try to stop me, and I use that to actually fuel me more, you're in deep trouble. Trust me. I'm going to get to my goals. I'm going to get where I want to get. Success is the best revenge. Keep that in your mind throughout the rest of the week. So, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys understood the message of my money motivation. As you can probably tell, I don't really have the energy right now The energy I have is kind of maybe giving off as a negative energy. It's not that. I'm trying to help you guys understand that a lot of things are not created for us to win. A lot of things are not designed for us to win. A lot of things have not been made for us to succeed. In fact, they've been tailor-made for us to fail. But get that success. Push for that success. You can do it. I can do it. Let's go out there and have a great week. Please, I'm trying to help people become better, more intelligent, closer to their goals, closer to their dreams, more control of their time. And with today's video, I hope I've done that. If I have, please do show support. It will definitely be appreciated. My laptop is still in the shop, so hopefully I can get this out Monday. I have to find a new way of editing, and it's a slow process, but if I got to do what I got to do, I'm going to make it happen. That's what it is right now. It's relevant to today's message, actually. As always, make sure you guys check out those links in the description. The first link is a brand new Discord. We have about 25 members in there right now. We're still growing. I don't actually have access to that Discord right now until my laptop is back. But please just join the Discord anyway. There's a great group of people in there talking about stocks. Make sure to check out last video where I talked about my week 4 results. Also be back next time for the next video. Apart from that, go out and have a great week. I've got money to making. We've got success to be chasing. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.